In today's digital age, social media has become an integral part of any successful marketing strategy. With over 330 million active users, Twitter offers businesses a unique opportunity to connect with their target audience and drive results. However, simply having a presence on Twitter is not enough. You need to understand the secrets behind successful ad campaigns to supercharge your social media return on investment, ROI. Identify your objectives. What do you want to achieve? Before diving into any advertising campaign, it's crucial to identify your objectives and what you hope to achieve through Twitter ads. Are you looking to increase brand awareness? Drive website traffic? Generate leads or sales? By clearly defining your goals, you can tailor your ad campaign accordingly and measure its success. Know your audience. Who are you targeting? Understanding your target audience is key when it comes to creating effective Twitter ad campaigns. Conduct thorough research on demographics, interests, behaviors, and preferences of your ideal customers. This knowledge will help you craft compelling messages that resonate with them and increase engagement. Craft engaging content. Capture attention in seconds. Twitter is a fast-paced platform where attention spans are short-lived. To capture attention in seconds, create visually appealing content that stands out from the crowd. Utilize eye-catching images or videos that convey your message quickly and effectively. Leverage hashtags. Join conversations that matter. Hashtags are powerful tools for increasing the reach of your tweets beyond just your followers' feeds. Research relevant hashtags related to your industry or specific campaigns and use them strategically in your tweets for maximum exposure. Optimize ad copy. Be clear and compelling. When crafting ad copy for Twitter ads, be concise yet compelling. Every character counts. Clearly communicate the value proposition of what you're offering while being mindful of character limitations. Use action-oriented language to encourage users to take the desired action, whether it's clicking a link, retweeting, or following your account. Utilize targeting options. Reach the right audience. Twitter offers various targeting options that allow you to reach specific segments of your audience. Take advantage of features like location targeting, interest targeting, and even tailored audiences based on website visitors or customer email lists. By narrowing down your target audience, you can ensure that your ads are seen by those who are most likely to engage with them. Test and optimize. Continuously improve your campaigns. Successful Twitter ad campaigns are not built overnight. They require ongoing testing and optimization. Experiment with different ad formats, messaging strategies, visuals, and calls to action to see what resonates best with your audience. Monitor key metrics such as click-through rates, center, engagement rates, conversions, and ROI to identify areas for improvement. Track conversion attribution. Measure your success. To truly understand the impact of your Twitter ad campaigns on your bottom line, it's essential to track conversion attribution accurately. Set up conversion tracking pixels or implement UTM parameters in URLs so that you can attribute conversions directly back to specific ads or campaigns. Analyze competitors. Learn from their successes and failures. Keep an eye on what your competitors are doing on Twitter. Both their successful campaigns and their failures provide valuable insights for improving your own strategy. Analyze their messaging tactics, creative elements used in ads, targeting options chosen. Then brainstorm ways you can differentiate yourself from them while still appealing to the same target market. In conclusion, supercharging social media ROI through successful Twitter ad campaigns requires careful planning and execution. By identifying clear objectives, understanding your target audience, creating engaging content, leveraging hashtags, optimizing ad copy, utilizing targeting options, testing and optimizing, tracking conversion attribution, and analyzing competitors, you can maximize the effectiveness of your Twitter ad campaigns and achieve impressive ROI. Remember, social media is a constantly evolving landscape, so stay updated with the latest trends and strategies to ensure continued success.